Hola, Spanish 1. Here we are, the last 2 weeks of school. I can't believe we have made it this far. And I'm very proud we got through Capítulo 4 entirely online. That was quite a feat. So very proud of you guys. So these last 2 weeks of school, we're going to be learning about a cultural celebration and a historic event combined into one. And then the following week, the last week, we're going to be learning a popular traditional Mexican song. I know you have heard the tune before, and now you're going to get to learn the words and the lyrics, okay, and what they mean. So we are in La Semana el 4 al 8 de mayo de 2020. Okay, so what cultural event do you suppose we're going to learn? We're going to learn about el Cinco de Mayo. Okay, all right. So your assignments for this week are to watch a History Channel video of el Cinco de Mayo, read el Cinco de Mayo article. Okay, this article is in Español, okay? And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about some vocabulary that will help you understand that. And also, take note, there are translations in the article, so you should be fine comprehending that article, okay? Then you are going to prove to me that you watched and that you read by answering the study guide, okay? And that will be in Spanish, and you will do that on a PDF, and you will turn that in at the end of the week, okay? Finally, you will do 2 questions, 2. So you will need to push that green button 2 times and make sure you're in the correct topic, okay, as you give your response on Flipgrid, okay? Do not just push that green button once this week. You're going to be pushing it twice. So let's go over some of the vocabulary that you are going to find in the Cinco de Mayo article, okay? Invadió, he, she, or it invaded. La guerra, the war. La batalla, the battle. Soldados, soldiers. In the article, you will see los soldados franceses, the French soldiers. You will also see los soldados mexicanos, which is the Mexican soldiers. Conmemora, he, she, or it commemorates. And la herencia, the heritage. Okay? All right. Now let's do a quick bit of structures so that you can answer the questions in Flipgrid, okay? So the first structure I see here is an impossible military victory, okay? So let's start with victory, okay, which is una victoria. It's also a girl's name, okay? Una victoria, what kind of victory? A military victory. So it's militar. And this time, that adjective is going to go after the noun. Una victoria militar. Okay, but we have to throw in impossible. Where does that go? That is going to go in front of the noun victoria. Okay. Very similar word. Okay, imposible. Okay, so una imposible victoria militar. Okay, these two are going to kind of go together. Okay, and when I say them, I'm going to say them closer together. Okay, listen to that again. Una imposible victoria militar. Okay, an impossible military victory. Okay, all right. The next one, you're going to see the word orgullo, which is the word for pride, and we're going to learn the adjective proud, okay? And so that word is orgulloso, if it's a guy, and it's orgullosa if it's a girl, okay? All right, and this is going to go with está or estás, okay? So estás orgulloso de, okay? Estás orgulloso de, are you proud of? Okay, if I'm talking to a girl, then I would say estás orgullosa de, okay? And I believe my question is posed, de quién? So de quién means of who, okay? So de quién estás orgulloso de, okay? Let me say that again. It would be de quién estás orgulloso, okay? Of whom are you proud, okay? It sounds a little strange in the question, but your answer is going to be estoy orgulloso de, or estoy okay, estoy orgulloso de, I am proud of. Okay, if I was a girl, I would say estoy orgullosa de. Okay, so I'm wanting you to be practicing this word orgulloso or orgullosa, which is a form of orgullo, which is in the article. Okay, so let me say those structures one more quick time. Okay, una imposible victoria militar. ¿Estás orgulloso de? Or ¿estás orgullosa de? I think I said it there too. ¿Estás orgulloso de? ¿Estás orgullosa de? Okay. Then your response, estoy orgulloso de. If you were a guy, if you are a girl, estoy orgullosa de. Okay. All right. Muy bien. Have a great week. Adiós.